Hello everyone, this is Silent Ninja Gamer here, and today I'm showing you Meshmaker VR. This app lets you create low poly models and export them as OBJ files. This means that you can 3D print them if you want to, so you could build something in VR and then 3D print it and show all your friends. It is compatible with Oculus Rift and the HTC Vive if you have either of those. On the Oculus Rift, you'll have to click in on the thumbstick to use the pinwheel, or whatever you want to call it. On the HTC Vive, you just place your finger there. So, I clicked the sphere. That is vertex mode. When you're using vertex mode, you can place down dots, aka vertexes, that you can adjust by clicking the grip. Okay, so now I'm going to show you face mode. That is the square that is flat. So, if you click on each vertex going clockwise, then you will create a face. Now, you can only click 3 at a time, so you can only make triangles. But you can merge the triangles to make a bunch of other stuff. I am in vertex mode right now, and I'm just showing you that you can move around the vertexes while it has a face attached. Now I'm going to show you flip normals mode. Basically, you just click whenever there's a face facing the wrong way, and it flips it. It's very simple, and it can let you do some cool stuff like what I'm about to show you. Basically, if you flip the normal, and then you create another face on top of it, the opposite way, you can create a double-sided thing. Now we have the face delete mode. It's pretty self-explanatory, like the flip normals mode. It basically just deletes the face. Like if you're doing an arm or something and you accidentally put a face where the gap is supposed to be between your elbow and your body, I guess, then you can delete that face without having to delete any of the vertexes. Because if you delete a vertex while it has a face attached, it will delete the faces that are attached to it. So these lines that you've been seeing for the past few seconds are the snapping lines. Basically, whenever you have snapping mode on and you have vertex mode, and you're using vertex mode, it'll create these lines that can make everything super precise. And if you go into object mode and you rotate your object, it will rotate the snaps with it, so you don't have to worry about like accidentally messing something up. So the last thing that I need to talk about is hitboxes. So if you create two separate objects that aren't connected to each other, they will still share the same hitbox. I don't really know what to call it, so I'm calling it a hitbox. But it's basically what you use to grab it. So as you can see, you can create like a god hammer if you wanted to, but it would only be like working inside Meshmaker VR. Anyways, if you want to fix this, what you'll have to do is after you save the object that you created, you're going to have to go into the files and then take out that the load.obj file and put it on your desktop or whatever. And then you start up Meshmaker VR and that thing won't be there anymore. And so then you can start creating your new object. Also, if you want to import something, you have to get a... So check out the app if you want to. I'll leave a link in the description. And anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.